Hi, I'm Dr. Liana. I'm with CAETA, the Companion Animal Euthanasia Training Academy. And I'm here to tell you about a new workshop that we have. And this one is specific to end-of-life communication. It's a 4-hour workshop online, and we'll have some in-person offerings as well. The idea with this workshop is that these conversations that we have with clients as their beloved pet is entering the final stages of life, these conversations are so difficult for everybody. When my clients call me, they say, this is the hardest call I've ever had to make in my whole life. And this is hard on vet staff as well. So we want to give you the tools to be able to build rapport with these clients, to know what to say, what not to say, so that you can really let your empathy and your compassion shine through. You can still provide that professional guidance, but you'll be that much calmer and just confident to go in with these conversations and just make it a better experience for everybody.